Hello friends and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about what is an operator in C language. Then we will see what is an arithmetic operator, the different arithmetic operators. Then we will see the practical implementation of that different arithmetic operators in C language. If you had not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to stay updated. Join us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Now let's start with what is an operator. An operator is a symbol that is used to perform operation. A symbol by using which we can perform operation. There can be many types of operator like arithmetic, logical, bitwise and etc. Operator are special symbols in C language which is used to perform various mathematical and logical operation on given operands. Now let's see what is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. on given operands. Now let's see different operators here. Addition, the simple addition, a first operand is 5, a equal to 5, second operand is b equal to 10, then a plus b equal to 50. Now let's see subtraction. A equal to 10 and b equal to 15. The simple subtraction is minus 5 because a is less than b. Then let's see multiplication. Operand 1 is equal to 2. Operand 2 equal to 5. 5 2s are 10. This is also a simple multiplication. Then comes division operator. The first operand is 10 and second one is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. The next operator is modulus operator. Here the operand 1 35 when divided with operand 2 3, the remainder of this division is equal to result. Now 3 11s are 33 and remaining we get 2. So the remainder is 2. The next operator is increment operator. In this we need only one operand. You can take anyone A or B. Now we just need to add uh, one number to the given operand a plus plus equal to 5 plus plus equal to 6. It is this number is incremented by 1. Then comes the decrement operator. In this also we just need only one operand. You can take a, b or anything you want. Then we just need to decrement this number by 1. So b minus minus 6 minus minus equal to 5. Now let's see the practical implementation of arithmetic operators in C language. Now let's see the practical implementation of this arithmetic operator. In this program we are going to see about arithmetic operators. Now let's take two operand integer a equal to 10, let's say operand 1, and integer b equal to 5, that is operand 2. For all the operations, we will take this common operand. Let's see first addition operator. Now let's write a printf statement, double inverted quotes, addition of two operands is, the value will be in percentage d, in the sense in integer. Percentage d is integer, comma, here we will write a plus b, semicolon. Save this and let's run this program. Here you can see addition of two operands is 15. Now you can do in this way, as well as you can write integer c equal to a plus b, semicolon, and you just need to remove this and you can write c. Save this and you will get the answer, same answer. But the line of code will be increased. Instead of writing a plus b here, we can write here so that we can reduce one line. Now let's take second operator, subtraction. Let's write printf subtraction of given two operands is percentage d comma a minus b. Now let's run this program and see the output. You can see here addition of two operands is 15 and subtraction of two operands is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we have written a new line. Similarly, we'll write here new line. Now, sorry, the next operator is multiplication. Let's write printf multiplication of two operands is, let's say it is also an integer, so let's write percentage d comma a, sorry, a into b. Let's write here also a new line. Save this and run the program. You can see multiplication is 50, 5 tens are 50. Let's write next one is division operator. Printf division of two numbers, two operands is percentage d. Let's write new line comma a divided by b. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So division should be 2. Now let's run this program and you can see we got division of two operands is 2. Now let's see modulus. Right, printf modulus of two operands is percentage d comma a percentage b. Now this modulus is the remainder of this a and b. When you divide a divided by b, the remainder of this is the modulus. So 10 is here, the 10 is divisible by 5, so 5 twos are 10, so there will be no remainder, so modulus would be 0. Now let's save this and run the program. So you can see here modulus is 0, but division of this two number is uh, uh, 2 and modulus is 0 because there is no remainder. Now next let's write increment operator. Let's see increment operator. As we have discussed in the theory that in increment we just need one operator. So let's take a, let's write increment a plus plus. Now print f increment of a is percentage d. We have incremented the value of a here by 1. So first it was 10, now it will be 11. So let's write comma a and give a semicolon. Save this and let's run this program. Here you can see increment of a is 11. Now let's see decrement operator. Decrement operator. In decrement operator also we need only one operand. So let's take B here because we have once utilized the A operator here. So let's write B minus minus semicolon. So here we have decremented the value of B by 1. This line says that we have decremented the value of B by 1, and here we have incremented the value of A by 1. So let's just printf decrement of B is, sorry, we should put this in double quotes, percentage D comma B. Let's write semicolon. Save this. Now the value of B was 5. So now by decrementing the value we'll get it 4. So let's see, the value is 4. We just need to give here a new line. Save this and let's run this program again. Now here you can see all the arithmetic operations. You can see addition. Let's see here, addition of 10 plus 5 is 15, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50. Then we have seen the division. So 5 twos are 10, so division is 2, but the modulus is the remaining remainder. uh, uh, we have done the remainder when we divide the numbers, so the remainder is 0 because this 10 is divisible by 5. Then increment operator, we have incremented the value of A by 1, so it is 11. Then we have decremented the value of 5, so the value would be 4. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will discuss different operators other than the arithmetic,